Joining us today, Diego.
Yes, is political analyst Clarita Carlos, a professor and veteran commentator on governance and national security. Ma'am, thank you very much for joining us.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Good morning.
Apo.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. So, how do you assess po the bicameral budget process this year? Do you think it strengthens or it makes it lesser prone to corruption?
It's a good start, but it's not enough.
So what
It's
is
a good start.
Go
You know,
ahead po.
because before, maski yung venue ng BICAM, hindi alam ng mga taong hindi
Right.
involved doon. So, there's just so much secrecy in relation to that activity.
Right. So you said it's not enough. Ano pa po yung nakikita niyo po na dapat ibigay pa nitong BICAM na to?
I mean, all others. Kasi naman, talagang ang hallmark ng ating democracy is transparency.
Right.
So that means all around, makita talaga ng kanya nangyari itong mga katiwalian kasi ang daming tinago, di ba? Oo.
But what do you...
Yung mga itinago mo, iladlad mo dun sa araw. Kasi yung araw yung nagpapatay ng germs, ika nga, di ba?
But what do you think about Secretary Vince Dizon being invited in the BICAM yesterday? Don't you think na hindi ba kaya magdesisyon ng both houses independent of the executive department?
Siguro I don't know why Vince was invited, no? But siguro mabuti nga kasi nagbigay siya ng mas balancing view on how the budget of the DPWH cannot just be reduced, willy-nilly. Na merong siyensya behind it.
Alright. Sabi po nila, baka daw po kasi magkaroon ng consequence itong transparency, no? The rushed raises transparency risk na sinasabi nila dahil nga daw po dun sa medyo parang bumabagal yung spending dahil medyo takot na po ngayon yung mga nasa government ngayon na gumastos because baka sila ay makasuhan, etc. And in essence, ang nagiging effect po nito ay yung ating ekonomiya bumabagal. Your thoughts on that?
I don't think there should be such a concern. Ang concern natin ngayon, for example, yung procurement laws natin and really the bureaucracy, that really slows them down. Hindi naman ito mag-slow down dahil ganit. Ang mag-slow down dahil nga sa sobra yung over-regulation natin. No?
Right.
We're trying to prevent corruption and at the same time, talagang yung nitty-gritty is really preventing projects from being implemented expeditiously.
Alright, there are certain systems po that they would want to change para nga daw po just in case, hopefully, ay talagang ma-eradicate ang corruption dito. Number one is yung isa po sa pinag-usapan nila, yung medical assistance to indigent and financially incapacitated patients o MAIFIP. Natanggalin na daw po ito sa mga politiko para hindi naman po hihingi yung mga tao, yung mga pasyente mismo ng guarantee letters
Sa
sa mga
legislators.
Oo. Your thoughts on that po?
Oo, kasi yung guarantee letters, that's breaking of patronage.
Yes.
I'm sure kasi yung opisina ko nasa Congress, nakikita ko yung mga tao nagpupunta sa
Right.
bawat congressman. Ba't nila ginagawa yun? Diba? Ilagay na lang nila sa hospital, lagay nila sa PGH, lagay nila sa public hospitals yan. Para lahat mag-treat pare-pareho. Paano kung wala kang kilalang congressman? Diba?
Exactly.
Oh.
Tama. Oo.
And also, ma'am, kanina we were speaking also to former Secretary Ronald Llamas and we were asking him also about yung pagtatanggal sa mga DPWH, yung mga, for example, construction of classrooms, farm-to-market roads at ipapasa sa Department of Agriculture at sa Department of Education mismo. And ang sinasabi kasi ng iba, you're adding already to the load of the departments which madaming hinahabol sa kanilang sector. Ano po thoughts niyo dito?
Education naman ang gawain naman yan hindi mag-build ng eskwelahan. At sila gagawin yun. Oo. Huwag nilang gawin yun. Kanya nga merong DPWA. Dahil yan talaga ang gagawa ng all kinds of construction. School buildings, ports, harbors, etc., airports, no? Yan ang trabaho nila. Ibibigay mo yun sa education. Hindi naman yung trabaho ng education. Hindi niya mandato yun.
Right. Mhm. Well, isa pa rin po sa mga usapin dito is more than the live streaming of the BICAM, more importantly po ay dapat meron pong public access dun sa mga documents regarding this budget. Your thoughts on that po?
Siyempre, part of transparency is dapat
Yes.
lahat ng documents, public documents, ay open to the public. Dapat makita mo yan sa computer mo o anong equipment mo. Dapat makita mo yan dahil dapat masundan mo yan. Ang nakikita niyo yung karatula na to be finished by this date, di ba?
Yes.
Yes.
Makita mo ilang taon na hindi patapos yun, no?
Totoo, oo. Yung paggawa po supposedly ng parang website to make sure na tayo mismo, taong
Direct
bayan, po
access.
pwedeng maka-access doon at ma-check kung itong distrito ko, tapos na ba tong bridge na to, etc. I think that's...
Yeah, 3 years ago nung nasa cabinet pa ako, sinabi
Opo.
na ni President Bongbong yan. Eh wala naman, hindi naman yun sinusunod. So, sundin lang nila yun. 3 years ago pa yan eh.
Oh. Yun nga po eh. Oh.
Doon taon na yan, binigyan ni directive ni
Exactly.
ni President Bongbong. Saka alam mo, wag natin gawin itong inot-inot. Dapat talaga massive and comprehensive yung gagawin nila. Streamlining, governance processes, pati re-engineering, all of this really will have to be done as a comprehensive project. Hindi yung fragmented. Ginagawa natin, parang ini-slice natin yung cake, samantalang yung buong cake dapat ang ayusin.
Parang reactive po ma'am.
Oo, pag may nakita kang may kulang, saka mo papakailaman. Lahat gawin mo, no? Tambawa, ang dami mga departments ngayon na dapat i-abolish o kaya dapat i-merge, no? Dapat ganyan yan eh. Bakit nakita mo, bakit yung DOTR at saka yung DPWH, ang dami nilang overlap? Pakialaman natin yan. Siguro
Right.
dapat isang department lang sila. Di ba?
Tsaka ma'am, parang...
Marami. Nasa aklat ko yan.
Parang
Bahay lang nila aklat ko.
Tama po ma'am, sabi nila, ugali daw nila is reactive, pati yung paggagawa sa flood control projects, instead of having a streamlined master plan for the metro, kada city, kanya-kanyang project na inassign ng DPWH.
Kaya nga, sobrang katangahan talaga niya. Dapat kasi yung project integrated, diba? Magkakatungtong naman ang mga rivers, magkakadugtong naman ang bodies of water, no? Magkakadugtong naman ang national, ang highway. Bakit mo siya, pinafragment, diba?
Right.
Dapat merong isang national plan, diba? One national plan.
Well, I can sense the frustration in your tone, Prof. I guess pareha-parehas po ng taong bayan, ganyan po ang kanilang nararamdaman pagdating po sa usapin ng pera ng taong bayan. But how do you assess President Bongbong Marcos's fight against corruption? Yung kanyang unang-unang sinabi sa SONA until now, nagkaroon ng ICI rather, and of course, appointing the ombudsman, filing cases left and right.
Alam mo kasi ang corruption, hindi mo siya ma-eliminate. So siguro in the last 900 days of the administration, talagang the President, I think, is doing his best to do whatever is possible, no? Na pwede within his powers, within his authority. But yes, yung aking experience yung President ako ng National Defense College,
Right.
makikita mo lang ang corruption pag insider ka. Pag hindi ka insider, susundan-sundan mo lang yung sinasabing paper trail. Wala din kasi yung paper trail naaayos din naman yan eh. Na-facture mo naman yung number sa paper trail eh. So, kung hindi ka insider, hindi mo talaga malalaman kung paano yung pagnanakaw nangyayari dun sa loob.
But do you believe na this time around, talagang may mga makakasuhan at makukulong eventually?
I hope so. Wag lang nilang burarahin ang pag-prepare ng kaso kasi matatalo sila pag ginawa nilang burarayan. Kasi the court will demand
That's
true.
hard
That's right.
evidences.
Exactly.
The court will demand evidence and reasonable doubt. Kaya, kung nagmadali, huwag po kung magmadali. Kasi po pag
That's
may
right.
nadali yan, mabuburara na naman yan, talo po tayo.
Exactly.
Kaya Prof, ang question dito is parang time and again, panahon pa nila Janet Lim Napoles, we're putting people in jail and then corruption happens again and then we put them in jail again. But what needs to be done? I mean, since 86, we thought we could change corruption and apparently hindi pa daw. What do we need to do? Change the way we vote, the electoral system, dynasty? Ano pa kailangan natin gawin?
Marami. First, structural yan. No? So, dapat mas malawak na salaysay nito. Dapat mag-shift tayo sa parliamentary system kasi talagang ang accountability doon is really higher. Higher than the presidential, no? Then pangalawa, yung sanctions mechanism mo, make it work. Make it work. Kanya yung nagnanakaw kasi alam nilang hindi sila matipreso.
Yes.
Diba? They can game the system. So, gaming the system, sige, magtakaw ka lang. Sino ba
That's
yung,
true.
di ba more than 100 yung pinapolis? Ilan ba yung napreso doon? Parang 2 piraso o 3 piraso lang.
Right, oo. Eventually, kapag nag-iba yung presidente, naiiba rin yung desisyon. Di ba po? Oo.
Hindi dapat mangyari yun.
That's right.
Hindi dapat mangyari yun.
Of course, going back po, finally, Prof, going back doon sa usapin po ng budget natin, have you seen po yung ibang mga, yung sa budget po sa House, most especially kasi nakikita daw po doon na parang, okay, new leaders, pero same pork system. Ang House leader, siya pa rin na may malaking parang allocation for DPWH, and even the former House Speaker, na si Martin Romualdez ay siya yung second highest na meron din allocation.
Dapat kasi alisin talaga yung basis ng pork barrel eh. Kasi pag inalis mo yan, you will, kaya nga, again, we go back to parliamentary system. Walang ganyang setup sa
Yes,
parliamentary system. Yung paggagawa ng kalye, ng port, ng airport, walang pakialam din ng mga congressmen. Ang pakialam ng nila is to craft law.
Exactly.
Paggawa lang ng batas. No? At saka, pero alam mo, ang mangyayari dyan, dalang sweldo lang ng congressman parang 250,000, no? I'm sure walang magraran sa Congress. Wala na silang pagkakasalatian.
Ako, oo nga. Abangan natin sa susunod na halalan, Prof. At kakausapin ka ulit namin tungkol dyan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras, Professor Clarita Carlos. As always.
Sige, good morning sa inyo
Good morning
dalawa.
po.